Alrighty, guys. Gold GDX or the GDXJ, Gdx SILJ, the silver and gold mining indexes. What's going on there? Really exciting stuff, guys. Bit of an update today. Oh my goodness, it is going to go crazy. It's gonna go nuts, right? We're gonna go absolutely just take off like a rocket. Let me show you what I'm seeing. Let's go. Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty guys, let's get straight into it. But before I do start guys, if you need my help, I'm giving away a free trading course on chart reading techniques, trading systems, mindset, foundations that goes into a trader, top 13 mistakes, my #1 trading strategy, how I trade the market, how I scam my trades, blah, 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 all that sort of stuff, how I do all my trading, how much more. I'm giving away it all for free. Link in the description. Go get it. Go get the help. I promise you, you'll learn more in the next 7 days and then you have in the last 7 months in that course. Okay? Link in the description. Go get it. Now, looking at the markets, guys, I'm telling you, oh my goodness, I am sensing, guys. What am I sensing? I am sensing that we are that for the last 3-4 months since August, we've been in this really slow pullback. It's like Gdxj, right? Slow pullback. We've been in this very slow pullback, and now we're getting ready. Now we're starting to see things are starting to heat up a little bit. And for all those people who are saying, John, you have no idea what you're talking about, all this gold mining stuff, what have I been saying? Guys, just relax. It's in the bag. Now, I'm not saying we're definitely going to go up tomorrow. No, we may go down tomorrow, right? Am I saying that we are definitely we're definitely gonna go to the moon tomorrow? No. But I truly believe, guys, that we're starting to see a bit of a bottoming pattern in this downward pullback that we've been in for quite some time. And then now I truly believe we're just getting started on potentially another nice move to the upside. It is getting so exciting, guys, right now. And this little box here, I truly believe this little box here, now, guys, I may be wrong here, okay? I may be wrong, but trading is never about being right anyway. Trading is just about trading the system and, yeah, right? Stop trying to be right with the market. So what I mean by that is you have a system, and maybe if you take this trade, it's called a win-loss ratio. Some trades are losing trades. That's okay, right? And you never know up front. So if you're one of these people that just throws a lot of money at one trade and hopes it's going to be successful, you're going to have a hard lesson behind you. Anyway, so back to the markets. Look at this here, right? Big false breakdown. So I truly believe this now has a high probability of being the final low for many months to come. Now, guys, as I said before, I could be wrong. So don't go throw money at the market based on what I just said there. No, have some sort of a system, some sort of a play, and always apply good risk management. Risk small, teeny weeny, few percent on your account every single time you get in the markets. Okay, be smart. But look what's happening here, right? We had a bit of a drop to the downside. This is where people are getting stopped out of their longs. This is where people are getting short right now, and the market does this. It's like it's a double whammy, and people get so frustrated because they don't know what's happening. They don't understand these markets. I've been doing this for 16 years, so I've seen it so many times. What happens is this, right? Support. We have support and we have a little bit of support. And what happens is we break down. And what happens? People have their stop just below the low here, so the longs are getting stopped out. And then guess what happens? Oh my goodness, it's going down. I better jump on quickly. So not only did the longs get stopped out, but people go short here. And then it reverses. So not only do the longs get stopped out, but then the shorts get stopped out. And this is called a slingshot pattern. Because you'll see it a lot of the times. You see it a lot of times when the market breaks below support, and then we start to see a very nice move up. People are like, John, the slingshot pattern doesn't work. It has a success rate, guys, okay? Maybe 70% of the time when this happens, we're likely to see a nice move. We're likely to see a nice move up, right? Just like here. Look at this back here. Ooh, did you see this? Look at this. Oh, look. We had a drop down and then a nice move up, right? And we got to the top up here. Look at, and if I use an example of a slingshot pattern, look at this here. Look at the USO. Look at this beautiful slingshot pattern here. See, notice this here. What happened? Look at this here. We had what? We had a channel. We broke down, went sideways, got back in the channel, and now look what's happening. Slingshot pattern, baby. Slingshot pattern. I tell you guys, stick with me. I'll teach you more about these markets than anyone else can. There. Anyway, so back to so that's a GDXJ. GDX, what's happening here? GDX is like, oh, it's just slowly. Are we creating a bit of a bottoming pattern? It's so hard to say exactly, right? Because it's like, oh, we need a lot more. We need a lot more emphasis on a breakout. So I would say something like on a breakout here. I would say that would be the if we can get back above here and we start to get back above and close this gap here, that's where we're likely to start to see a very, very. It does look like we're starting here, guys, but this here will give me more confidence that we're now starting the next move up as well too. So moving over now through to SILJ, and the SILJ has just been holding strong. Silver miners strong like bull, right? They're holding the market. They're holding it strong compared to the gold miners. Gold miners had a bit of a fall through the floor, right? They had that slingshot pattern, and now GDX and the GDXJ did that. Where this one, SILJ, just came up and now we're breaking out here. Look at that. Now we're breaking up. Now we've got a bit of a gap up here, probably going to fill. Interesting stuff, guys. Interesting times. Oh my goodness. But where does this come off? This come off the back of what? Weekly charts. Always keep an eye on the weekly chart trends, guys. That's why like, it's so important to learn how to read these charts when it comes to trend analysis and all that sort of stuff. So anyway, short term, we're breaking out here. This little gap here as well too. This looks like it's what's called a little bit of a breakaway gap. This little gap here. It generally happens at the start of moves. So you never know exactly when that's going to be. But if we have a move here, if this keeps doing this, then we know it's going to be a breakaway gap. And moving over to the SIL, and oh my goodness, SIL, what's the SI doing? Slingshot baby, slingshot baby, slingshot baby. Oh my goodness, look at this beautiful slingshot pattern, and it's working right now. Look what's happening here. Just, oh my goodness, bouncy. Oh, stopped all the longs out, got people short, and now they're stopping the shorts out as well too. And majority of the retail investors have no idea why the market is doing this for, why it's happening, and they're just spinning their heads right now, saying, "What the hell's going on?" Because they have no idea how these markets work. I have studied these markets now for 16 years, and I've been mainly a technical person because there's so much power in the charts. If you guys don't think that there's power in the charts, you guys don't know how to view these markets, because there's so much power in these charts that can give you, oh my goodness, guys, oh my goodness, especially even long-term view, right? Even long-term sort of what's happening on a long-term basis. It can start, if you learn how to read these charts, it can give you a bit more of a gauge of what's happening, what's going on, and so on and so forth. And when you start to understand things like this, and now we're starting to see this, there's a high probability we're going to end up here on the SIL, which is the gap up here now, 47. And then we're probably likely to continue back up to here to all-time new highs, moving into January, February next year. Just really big moves. We're starting to see nice breakouts of the mining stocks, guys, and it is just absolutely going crazy. You look at the stock market, 0.1%, 0.5%, and you look at all the miners and metals up over 3% today. GDXJ was up almost 4% today. And then the rest were in the threes, and the gold and silver were in the ones as well too. But big, nice good moves in the markets, guys. I don't know. I'm not saying that we're definitely going to go up tomorrow, guys, but I'm saying what we're seeing right now, we're starting to see a slow shift of people that were patient within this downward pullback. Just patient within this downward pullback. I'm starting to see a shift back into now the miners and metals. And I believe that we are creating lows in the markets for many months to come. Hey traders, John Howell here. Thanks for watching my video. For a limited time only, I am giving away free access to my brand new trading course. I've put all my most powerful systems, strategies, and trading techniques that I've learned over the last 15 years and put it in this course, and I'm giving it away for free for a limited time. See, in this brand new Grab the Markets by the Balls trading course, and you can get it when you go to johnsfreegift.com, you're going to learn, firstly, you're going to get access to a brand new training course for 90 minutes, and you're going to learn all the details step by step to my #1 trading system with over a 90% success rate that works on any market and any time frame. You're also going to learn 3 powerful chart reading and trading techniques. You're also going to learn 2 more powerful trading systems, and also you're going to learn 7-figure trading secrets, mindset techniques, and so much more. There's top 13 mistakes you're going to learn, the 10K per month formula, and so much more. No, this is not a get rich quick scheme, but if you are struggling with your trading right now and you need help, then for a limited time, you can get free access to this. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now, or click on the very first thing in the description, because for a limited time, I'm giving away. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now and start getting access to this full complete trading course, plus also the free training with my #1 trading system with over 90% success rate. Go do that right now, and I'll see you on the next page.